Fully attending college online can require extra focus. Remote instruction is a new experience for a lot of students and educators alike. At the College of Education, we have put together some tips to help you succeed as a distance learner. Tip 1. Find a comfortable workspace. Make sure that you have a designated, orderly area where you can be comfortable setting up your computer and focusing on your day-to-day schoolwork. This leads to tip number 2. Avoid distractions. Your workspace should be optimized to reduce distraction. Work at times when you know people and pets won't be demanding your attention, and consider wearing headphones or setting up your workspace in a quieter part of your home. Tip 3. Reduce digital clutter. All computer operating systems have user-friendly file explorers and recycle bins. By clearing your desktop and keeping your schoolwork properly filed, it will be a lot easier to locate files, and you won't feel overwhelmed looking at a cluttered, messy desktop screen. Tip 4. Set a routine. The best way to replicate in-person learning is to set a traditional schedule similar to in-person learning. Divide time among your different courses and hold yourself accountable for abiding this schedule. This will not only aid you in your schoolwork, but allow you to find the time for extracurricular activities, such as self-care routines, which are extra important during times like this. Lastly, tip 5. Communicate. Communicate with your peers and your professors. Distance learning is new for a lot of us, and it can be overwhelming among the many other stressors in our lives. Professors are already your primary resources for learning, so be open to sharing your questions and concerns. Your instructors want you to feel supported and want you to succeed. And be conscious of your peers as they are facing similar experiences.